my channel. I don't know how much I'm going to be speaking today. I'm just going to take you guys along like a research routine. Today I'm going to be cleaning. Today's my turn to clean because we have like a cleaning schedule with my roommate. Today's my turn. So yeah, and I don't know if I can wash my stuff, but if I can, I'll show you guys and everything like that. So I'll not be speaking much. I'll try to, but like I'm too shy to. So yeah, I'll see you guys along. Let's go.
Oh boy. You know, I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't. But you're not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. You know I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now.
Not afraid, so I would fail, but I'm not giving up, I'm not gonna give up right now. Well, I let go the storm, and I leave no regret. I do what I can do, not what I can't do. So let me dancing in the storm. Take it back to when we said just friends. Don't wanna tell you something new. I never said I'll fall for you. I want it better than the weekend. You can't show me just what I'm missing. Pretend. Don't wanna tell you something new. I never said I'll fall for you. We don't gotta fix it. Nothing that I'm missing. wishing we fall through. And I told you I want it better than the weekend.
Guys, so there are a few things I'm going to do now. Now I'm going to wash my shoes, like just try to like clean it a bit, and then I think I'll go get ready. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm thinking. So let's go.
I shine so bright, you might go blind, blind, blind. When I walk through, they close their blinds. I'm gonna show off, I know it's time. I am my price, don't they look nice? You look nice, don't you? I bet we could roll out. When I show up, I show out. Didn't know then, but I know now. Best kept secret, but you know now. Take a look when I started. Knew it right when I found it. Eyes on me cause I got it. I got it. Do what I want, it's my party. I just sense in my calling. They all up cause I got it.
Guys, I'm going to clean my hair now. Just not really clean, like just give it some care, because I don't do anything to my hair. So okay, I'm gonna get the products. So oh Lord, I'm going to use this deodorant thing, and then like water. Then this like mousse thing. I don't know if it's for the hair or for like my scalp, but I just yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put water inside because it hasn't gotten any water. Like who knows how long? And like, I'm just feeling like my ends, like my edges are so dry. I'm probably doing it so wrong. I don't have shampoo, so I can't like clean it. So this is the best I can do. What is this? I think the sherbet type my hair. Like, when I'm pomading my face, then it comes here.
I'll be there whenever.
This thing hits. It's not that it bends. Okay. Ooh.
I hope you see my words. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I'll put you first. And for you.
Now, I'm gonna put this in.
It's only you, nobody knew I'll put you first.
Okay, I think I'm going to do my hair down for today because I need it to pass through.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made them assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking.
Yes, thankfully there's no one in the kitchen. So I'm going to like make the noodles. I don't know what to do because there's no kettle here. So we just have to put it in the microwave. Like I don't know. Let's make it for you guys. Oh my god. Someone's bad. I had to pour it in a bowl because I almost started a fire in the kitchen. So I just put it in a bowl and it's ready now. So I'm going to eat this, maybe add some biscuits or something, like some cookies I have, and just eat this for lunch. So yeah. The kitchen, by the way. Ooh, I almost left my bottle. And like this is the fridge, there's some freezers and some cabinets. Yeah.
Check. Yeah, this is no ordinary love.